Hey everybody, welcome back. So in today's video we are going to solve your problem how to fix Instagram story music not working. Firstly, what you have to do is just open application, go into your story, tap on add your story. So if you go on story, then finding some specific filter and made some random video like this, then what you have to do is just tap on this sticker option. You should be able to see music filter like that. If you tap on this, so if you are seeing something like music not available or something like that, so what you have to do is just tap on any song you want to add on it and you should be able to see it. Now if you do not able to see that music filter, you can scroll couple time but you won't see it. So what you have to do is make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram application. What you can do for this is just open your Play Store application and type Instagram in search bar, tap on it and check if there is any update or not. If you are seeing the update button here, so what you have to do is quickly update your Instagram application. If your Instagram is so very outdated, I'm talking like it's like last and months old or even years old, then you're probably not going to be able to get a lot of the new features and that come out. So as you can see, I just updated the Instagram application now. So what I'm going to do is swipe in the right, make a story, and then again you have to tap on this sticker button and here tap on music, and then you should probably be able to see it. If you still don't see it, another thing I recommend you to make sure you are using the stable internet connection of some sort, making sure you have a data connection. Those are some of you other easy ways to go and fix this thing as well. But another thing is you have to go on your browser and type www.downdetector.com, tap on this. Then what you have to do is just scroll down through and just found the Instagram application. And if you are seeing the flat line, that probably means there is no issue or widespread issues with Instagram. But if you see things like this, these massive spikes, that probably means there is a problem with it. Then what can you do? Just wait and give time Instagram to fix their issues. So these are some things that you can do for fix Instagram story music not working. So after completing all these procedures, I hope your issue will be solved. If you have any questions about it, just let me know in the comment sections. Thank you for watching.